Hey there, we're Mara and Nico.
Hi!
We quit our 9-to-5 job to become freelancers and travel the world together. In this video, we'll share with you our trip to the beautiful island of Siargao in the Philippines. We stayed in this tropical island for 8 days and 7 nights in the last week of February 2024. We'll show you the things and activities we did, our travel expenses, restaurants we explored, food and snacks we enjoyed, how we survived as freelancers, some of their beautiful beaches, some tips, and a lot more. If you're interested, please keep on watching.
Yan, we arrived, yung flight namin from Terminal 4 to Sayak Airport is 1:30 p.m. So, we arrived mga after 2 hours and 25 minutes. So, yung diretso, walang layover to Cebu, yung papunta, 10,000 pesos. For the both of us, back and forth. Medyo mahal pa siya, pero pwede na din. Discounted na din yun. And right after that, bumaba kami sa Sayak. Nakahanap kami agad ng van. 300 pesos yun. Hatid na nila kayo dun sa hotel na pinagstayan. The travel time is around 30 to 45 minutes. Pero parang 1 hour din.
Ganun 45 minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes. So, nag-dinner kami right after that.
Jogging horse, sa loob.
Yeah, pumasok kami sa Jacking Horse kasi yung point 303 medyo malapit. Walking distance lang siya to Jacking Horse.
After dinner, we went back to the hotel. So this is the standard room at point 303. This is 2,200 pesos per night, good for 2, no breakfast. If you want a detailed room tour, please check out the first part of our Siargao trip.
There are different tours here that you could try. Try Island Land Tour and Sohoton Tour. Go ahead, try it if you want. Kami naman, ang ginawa na, hanap lang kami ng pag-surfan. Nag-curvada pala tayo ng lunch before we surf. Recommended talaga. Curvada. Sobra. Daming options. Affordable compared to other restaurants.
Then we checked out the famous Coco Frio.
Sarap. Kailangan magdala ka ng sariling lalagyan.
For to go. Hapon, nag-surf kami. Experience, 500 pesos. Kahit saan ka pumunta, 500 pesos yan. If you're gonna rent the board lang, 200 pesos. But if you're a beginner, highly advisable talaga na may kasama ka. For your safety na din. Kung hindi ka pa masyadong marunong. What's your experience
Saan?
sa surfing?
Oh yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, you should try. Kahit na hindi mo pa na-try before. Kahit na beginner ka lang.
It's hard sa umpisa. Actually, kahit siguro hindi enough yung isang try or isang session.
Oo, actually parang gusto pa nga namin.
Isang buong session, 1 hour. Una, hindi ka pa marunong. So, doon naubos yung oras. Learning the technique.
Learning how to do it. Talaga, how
Siguro
it
half.
works.
Half ng session, learning, tapos yung half, medyo
Enjoying na. Oo, medyo enjoying.
Kapag long ride na.
After surfing, we went to the famous Cloud9 boardwalk. It was rebuilt already after Typhoon Odette hit Siargao. Nevertheless, it's still a beautiful spot to go to when you visit the island.
After surfing, nagkatangnan kami. Nag-sunset muna sa Katangnan. Definitely something you should try. Next is we had dinner dito sa Bliss. Yung Bliss, medyo fancy siya, pricey yung food, pero grabe naman kasi yung serving, sobrang dami. So, I think worth it lang yung sa Bliss. And second day naman namin, we decided to rent a motorbike.
Scooter.
A scooter pala. 500 pesos siya per day, 400 pesos kung 2 days, 350 kung 3 days and more. Akala namin nung una, better na hindi na lang magmotor. Pero enjoyed it so much.
Yeah, mas madami kami naikot. Unexpected na views.
Oo.
Sightseeing.
Mas maganda talaga na nakamotor ka kasi kahit saan mo gusto pumunta. So, kung may marunong naman magmotor, kung meron naman kayong lisensya, go.
We found Nuira here in Siargao. If you're coming from Corvada Restaurant, head to Katangnan, tapos nasa left side siya.
How about this?
Are you happy? Okay, pagas lang kami dito along the highway. After New Era, going to Katangnan, meron naman 89.65. So,
full tank nito is 300 pesos. We are here in Kanin Baboy. Pork sinigang. Spicy fried chicken. Magbupungko kami pero sobrang crowded. The entrance fee sa magpupungko is 60 pesos and then parking is 20 pesos. We decided to just eat there pero hindi na kami nag-swim because there's a lot of people. We just stayed there mga 30 minutes. Hindi talaga dito. Definitely a must-see. But super crowded yung mismo.
May mga maliliit na
pool.
Ayun may mga maliliit silang nilulubog.
May mga small pools din dyan. Pwede naman.
Na nakakalat.
So, we're now heading to Pacifico. It's 22 minutes away.
Kayong pagmumotor, kasi yung mga makakasabay ko sa daan, puro motor lang din, tsaka yung tok-tok nila. Bihirang-bihira yung malalaking sasakyan or truck. At maayos ang daan.
Oo, in fairness. If ayaw nyo din ng crowded places, you should go to Pacifico Beach. It's less crowded than Mangpupungko Beach, less crowded than any other beaches here in Siargao. Probably dahil dito na siya banda sa north, so there's not a lot of people. It took us siguro 1 hour papunta, more than an hour papunta sa Pacifico. Siyempre more than an hour din pabalik.
Pero yung travel na yun, madadaanan Maasin,
Coconut View Deck, Magpupungko,
madami naman na.
Pacifico. Pag dumiretso pa kayo ng konti sa Pacifico, andun yung Little Hawaii of Siargao, Alegria Beach, which is super ganda din. Pero too late na kasi, so hindi na kami dumiretso. Woohoo! We're gonna ligo!
We left Pacifico Beach around 4:30 p.m. because we still wanted to visit Maasin River on the way back to General Luna. Hanggang 5 p.m. lang sila open but they happily accommodated us kahit na past 5 na kami dumating. It was a 5 to 10 minute boat ride going to the Mini Lagoon. It was almost sunset kaya naman the lighting was so perfect during this time.
Maasin River.
Ginabi kami.
Sabi ng mga overtime.
So, picture lang din pala dito.
Dalawa yun.
And that's what we thought. Akala namin, picture lang ang gagawin mo sa dulo ng Maasin River. Pero since kami yung pinaka-last na guest, we enjoyed the Mini Lagoon so much. Sobrang fresh ng water dito, talagang in-enjoy namin maligo. For the locals who offer to take photos and videos of you guys, wala naman talaga silang bayad and hindi rin naman sila naniningil. But you can also give a tip as a way of saying thank you.
We're having Korean dinner. This is Kim's restaurant. Tomorrow, we will be transferring to a different accommodation. Kaya ngayon, we're going to find a laundromat para magpalaba ng mga damit namin. Anyway, this is 3:03 in the morning. May pool. Yung pool nila, 8 feet. That's it. Sarap mag-swimming, in fairness. If you are coming from 3:03 and you wanna go find a laundry, doon lang daw, sabi ni ate.
Ayun, surf wash.
Ayun, surf wash. Ay, may massage din dito. Actually, gusto din namin magpa-massage, pero eto, ang laki ng signage, laundry. Pumunta pa kami kanina doon. Let's see, gaano kabigat ang laundry.
Laundry?
Yes.
One load.
One load.
Before 5 o'clock po.
274.
One load.
One load. Max of 5 kilos. Hi, so we're here in Saka. Just near Cloud9. Thank you. We ordered quesadilla for Nico and I ordered the Bomdia smoothie bowl. One of the best daw. Ang prices ng food dito ay usually nasa 300 pataas.
Yeah. 300 range na lang.
Another curvada day.
And since malapit lang ang Coco Frio sa Corvada, bumalik ulit kami for the second time. And in the afternoon, we tried drunken sushi. For this day, we just explore different restos in General Luna, and we also went accommodation hopping kasi kailangan pa namin na accomo. We also went to this beach near Kanaway Snack Bar ni Andy, and ito din yung beach area na lagi kong nakikita sa vlog nila sa Happy Islanders. And this is how General Luna looks like at night. Ito party.
Dito talaga.
Okay.
Dinner option is Debbie's Barbecue. Same lang tong Debbie's na to. Meron din doon sa kabilang side. Debbie's din yun. Tama ba? Bebies pala. Here we are. We got pork belly. Ano nga to? Tumbong. Pork barbecue, dalawang hotdog. Buti pala nagdagdag ako. This is 340 pesos. Thank you.
For the next day, before we transfer to another accommodation, we went to outer space. This is just a walking distance from Point 303 or if you're coming from Cloud9. We need to squeeze in some work before we transfer to our next accommodation because that will be in Santa Fe. And hindi kami sure kung malakas din ba ang signal ng wifi doon. So we did some work in advance. And nakakatuwa din dito dahil meron silang packages na per hour o kaya naman per day or meron din silang per month if you are staying longer in Siargao. To be honest, okay naman yung Wi-Fi connection sa Point 303 during our entire stay except nung malapit na kami mag-checkouts. Kaya buti na lang malapit tong outer space sa Point 303. So if you're a freelancer just like us, you might want to check it out.
This is our food. This is breakfast food for lunch. And this is pork adobo here at 101. This is our view.
After lunch, we went straight to Santa Fe for a 2-night stay at Bamboo Moon. It's a 20 to 30 minute tuk-tuk ride from Point 303. It's 6,500 pesos per night through Airbnb. So if you want to see our experience during our 2-night stay at Bamboo Moon, please check out the Bamboo Moon vlog on our channel. Our first stop on our last day is the Coconut View Deck. Nadaanan na namin to when we went to Magpupungko and Pacifico. But since medyo na-late kami ng alis noon, we skip it muna since madali lang naman siyang puntahan from General Luna.
So there are like 1,000 coconut trees here.
And because we have plenty of time on our last day, we really did enjoy taking photos here. There are a lot of locals who will offer to take photos or videos of you guys for free. They don't really ask for anything, but I think they do deserve a tip because look at the pictures we had. The actual product that they sell here are bamboo straws. For lunch, a friend told us to check out Barrel. And medyo nagsisi kami dahil pinuntahan namin siya on our last day. Kasi sobrang sarap ng food dito, given na ang prices niya ay relatively lower than the other restaurants in the area. When we went here around lunchtime, high tide pa kaya swimmable yung beach area, so we decided to go back in the afternoon. Unfortunately, nag-low tide na pala, so hindi na swimmable yung beach area, kaya naglaro na lang kami.
Surf sana kami.
Bawal mag-surf, hindi rin makaligo at low tide.
Super low.
Dahil dun sa malayo, mabato na.
Oh,
Tsaka maluma.
yeah. This is how it looks.
Sea urchins.
Yeah, kanina ito.
Dito masaya sana.
Punong-puno to, no? Love. Yeah, masaya sana dito kanina.
But you know what, even though it's low tide when we got back here in Barrel, we still had a great time. We still ordered the drinks. This is probably the first restaurant that we will check out when we go back to Siargao. Then before we have our dinner for our last day, we decided to look for more souvenirs.
Last minute shopping, stickers. I got myself a Malaya bag. Malaya is a local brand na meron din sa Palawan, meron din dito sa Siargao. Yung mga shirt niya, yun, favorite niya yung Malaya.
Ano sa tingin mo?
Tasty Waves. Yan. Ilan ba kukunin natin?
Ayun, 3. 4 na.
160.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you.
And this is us trying the lechon in Cebu Airport during our layover.
Hindi naman natin mauubos yun. Maubos ba natin yan? Bye.
So good. What can you say about the lechon Cebu? Speechless. Ah, okay.
Malayo siya sa lasa ng lechon sa atin. Pero masarap
Saan
din
yung-
naman yung lechon sa atin.
And finally, the moment of truth. This is our total expenses during our 8 days and 7 nights trip to Siargao. The prices will vary, of course, depending on the accommodations you will choose, the restaurants, activities, and of course, the transportation of your choice. We had so much fun during this trip. We hope you also enjoyed watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our channel. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye.
We had a lot of turtles.